Moments after taking the hot seat, it was heated for Attorney General Pam Bondi.
I'm not going to discuss anything about that with you, Senator.
Eventually, you're going to have to answer for your conduct in this.
Facing questions about controversial firings and cases, Bondi repeatedly fired back.
You didn't complain for 4 years when President Trump was being targeted by Jack Smith, by the last Justice Department.
The Attorney General refused to answer many Democrats' questions.
I don't know the answer, Senator.
Yet you do know the answer to that.
Don't call me a liar.
And Bondi continued to face a wave of questions about the case files of convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein, who died by suicide 6 years ago.
There's been public reporting that Jeffrey Epstein showed people photos of President Trump with half-naked young women. Do you know if the FBI found those photographs in their search of Jeffrey Epstein's safe or premises or otherwise? Have you seen any such thing?
You know, Senator Whitehouse, you sit here and make salacious remarks, once again trying to slander President Trump left and right.
Louisiana Republican John Kennedy asked Bondi if the FBI spoke with Trump Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, who said this on a podcast last week.
This guy was the greatest blackmailer ever. Blackmailed people. That's how he had money.
That directly contradicts a July Justice Department memo which said there was no credible evidence found that Epstein blackmailed prominent individuals.
Don't you think you ought to talk to him after this interview?
Senator, if Howard Lutnick wants to speak to the FBI and if Director Patel wants to speak to Howard Lutnick, absolutely.
Bondi also defended the criminal case against former FBI Director James Comey, a longtime critic of President Trump's. Comey denies any wrongdoing. He will be arraigned on Wednesday in federal court in Virginia, facing charges of making a false statement and obstruction of Congress in 2020. Scott McFarland, CBS News, Washington.